What's nice about this shuttle is all those panels that I took off. I had the foam on them. Well, they're perfect patterns. So when I come back and build the new things, I've got perfect patterns for each one I took out. That'll make it a whole lot easier to put stuff back. I have a nice pattern already for up there. Patterns for the corners. Can't beat it. Awfully close to start rebuilding. I got to get some insulation and some glue on for that ceiling. Got a couple little bad spots. Not bad at all. I can't see taking out all the plywood for these 3 little spots. I think I'm just going to bondo them up, which will make it even stronger than it was before. And continue on. Still not sure what I'm going to do with the heater yet. I've got to do some stuff here. This panel is loose. All it had was double stick tape on the back. So I'm going to drill three holes here and 3 holes there and put some screws into it and use the plastic caps that covers the screws to make it look like a finished product. Put some silicone in there so it won't leak or anything. What I'm doing is re-securing this back panel. What I've done is I've measured it off to coincide with the inside and figured out where I want to screw it to the wall. Because what's happening is, so you can see it moving in and out, and it was only attached with double stick tape on the metal rails on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some screws in, self-tapping screws, and then I'll use the plastic caps that cover them with a little silicone to make it waterproof, and that'll hold that panel in and it won't rattle or won't bump around and make it more secure. Now that I have the caps in, I can take these out and cap the base of the cap. Looks like this. So put that in. And then here's your cap. I'll put silicone under this. This is just to show you how it went in. Pop it on, and it's done. Nothing to it. Easy peasy. Now I'll just do the other 3, and I'll be done. I've got to insulate up in here because that's all raw fiberglass. As this is all raw fiberglass up here, you can see they use some to keep some of the heat out, but I'm going to continue that on all the way through. And you can see down in there, it needs some more down there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get down in there, but I'll try. Got some foam. We got a piece of Luan up here, but that's on top of the ribs. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foam up here also. Clean the windows. I'm going to use 5% limo tint on these 4, the back one, and these 3, and the door. Up here I'll probably use maybe 35% up here just to darken that up a little bit, because HD's bed is going to be right there. I'm keeping all these old panels because they make perfect patterns. I'm working on the layout right now. I'm not sure exactly where everything's going to go just yet, but now that I have firm measurements, I can finally finalize the floor plan. All right, come on back for the next video.